Hey YouTube, how you guys doing today? I know I said I was gonna make a video of the rest of that bounty, but it would have been a really long video because the last step I had to do is get 1,000 points in the killing arena bosses. Basically, 28 is worth 75. 32 is worth 200. Uh, but if you're doing 32 by yourself, you only get 75. I don't know why. Uh, the 34 arena, I'm not sure if they're worth 250 or 350. And the bosses in Skyla's Revenge are worth 450. But here it is, guys. The Lord of Wolves from that bounty. It looks pretty badass. It is badass too. Alright, so the perks is hip fire. This weapon has bonus accuracy while firing from the hip. Speed reload, extended mags. It already has a magazine of 30, so an extended mag, that'd be like overkill. And perfect balance, and then its special perk, Devil's Touch, causing this weapon rally nearby allies with 3+ recovery, lasts 30 seconds. Which is pretty cool. And I know you guys are wondering what the hell helmet I'm using. This is the Kale Slayer's helmet. It's what not Zer, what the hell? Varix. This is what the helmet and this gun is what Varix is selling this week. The August of the Kale. It's a pulse rifle. And its perks are rangefinder, extended mag, fitted stock, and flared mags well, and shank burn. I mean, I already have something that does shank burn. And it is the sniper and the auto rifle. But I got the sniper rifle from him from doing Judgment's Chance, and I got the machine gun from him for doing Judgment's Chance too. But enough about my other guns. The helmet looks pretty cool. Alright, perks are momentum transfer, causing damage with a grenade, reduces your melee cooldown. Inverse shadow, increase super energy gained from killing minions of the darkness. And then its special perk, Hive Arbiter. I think that's what it's called. Greatly increase recovery and super recharge when fighting Hive in the prison. The funny thing is this ups my recovery and super recharge, but the chest piece greatly increases my armor and melee recharge while fighting Hive too. So I got 2 advantages while facing Hive. Well, this is the end of the video. Like and tell me what you think of the video. Subscribe if you're new, and as always, peace. And well, just peace. I don't have any special thing today. See you guys.